What's going on, everybody? Nate here. As you see, based on the title of today's video, we are going to be installing the air oil separator kit for your RCF, IS500, or GSF. We're going to be doing a step-by-step guide and showing you how to install this kit for your RCF, IS500, or GSF. Let's get into the video. All right, so for the first step, you're going to want to pop off the engine cover. Super easy, just lift up left side, right side, back, lifts up like that. Now we have access right here, which is where we're gonna mount the oil filter housing here. It goes onto the cam phasers right here. Those two bolts on the left side and the right side. This is where it mounts, and then it's magnetic right here, so it just rests on top. So for the first step, we need to remove the left and right side. Put this bracket on, and then connect these hoses somewhere in here. So I'm gonna have to remove this one and this one right now and show you guys how. All right, for the first step, we're going to remove these 12mm bolts. One here, one here. Bitch. Oh, fuck. Fucking smacked my phone. Now to remove the second one on the left side. Once you remove your bolts, we're gonna move on to the PCV hoses here. After you disconnect these hoses, you want to access this one here. Pull it off. Actually, it might not be so easy. Give me 1 sec. All right, you want to remove it as so. And as you can see, there's oil already building up in here. Next, you want to connect this side into there. But first, we're actually gonna mount the bracket here, so that way we have somewhere to rest the oil filter housing. All right, so to mount your bracket, you're going to want to put the spacer right here and feed the wires behind the bracket. That way they're not hitting when you mount the canister. Then you want to repeat the same on the left-hand side here and put the spacer in bolt. After placing both bolts in with the spacers, you're going to want to torque both these bolts down to 25 foot-pounds. All right, now that we torque these bolts down, we want to place the base on top of the magnet there. It sits as so. You want to plug this part in to here. All right, so I went ahead and already installed this hose here to the manifold. And then with the hose you took off, you want to reconnect it to the new inlet here. And then I believe once we finish that, we just reconnect these hoses here to the intake, since we have the stock elbow here. And then it should be good to go. After you tighten your clamp, you want to reinstall the intake hoses here, and then put your engine cover, and you're finished. Now you are finished with your install.